Thanks for watching Learn with Albert Pinto technical tips via tutorial. Hi and hello there, welcome to my channel. Well, this morning I got all confused with YouTube channel analytics, and to see if I can get some answer, I searched on the Google this question: is there something wrong with your channel analytics in July and August? Because you see, I figured out some problem with my revenue during the last week of August. Then I looked little further down and clicked on the second question, which most of the people ask for: is there any problem in YouTube today? And here you see that it is having problems since 7:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. And I too figured out this at 8:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time and decided to make this video. Then I clicked on the below given link to find out more. And here you can see that problems detected in YouTube such as buffering, playback issues and sign in. Then as you go down, YouTube problems in last 24 hours. Here you can see the number of cases reported. This chart shows, or this graph rather shows, the various cases reported during the last 24 hours. Let me go little down, and here we are, the day of making this video, that is on the 1st September 2022. To confirm, here is the calendar in front of you, 1st of September, and the time is 1:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. And then YouTube trying to get more information by asking the channel holders to give their feedback. And here you can see the buffering cases reported are 59%, which is the most highest, and the rest you can see there. Now I will take you to my channel to show you the actual problem that I am facing or I faced. Here you can see the number of views, watch time, subscribers and the estimated revenue. And here you can see the date and the month, that is 3rd to 30th August for the last 28 days. Now I will show you the revenue that I earn in the month of July. And now you can see here how much there is the drop. See the drop rate, how much it has fallen. Too much drop in terms of views, watch time and subscribers. And see the amount of drop in revenue, more than 30 USD. Friends, let me know if this happened to you also. Is there so much change in your channel analytics? Please do leave comment below so that I will also know that it is not only me but you too. Why this problem and why there is so much changes so suddenly from YouTube? Wait, I will show you something more here. Keep watching. Now I will refresh this, and here again you might see some changes. Let's try. I have seen almost every 5 minutes there are changes happenings. Wow, see that? Now you see those dates and the month. You can see from 97.22 USD for the month of July. Suddenly in the last week of August, it has been dropped to 63.09 USD. More than 36 USD is the difference. Then after 5 minutes, I try to refresh again and check the status. And I got this from 63 USD, it is gone up to 72 plus USD. Well, my friends, I think there is seriously something wrong with YouTube analytics. Wait and watch. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and do please leave your feedback. Please do subscribe to my channel because it is a new channel, newly created. Please do show your support. Take care and bye bye.